Toontrack Ezbass is a comprehensive virtual bass instrument designed to provide realistic and high-quality bass sounds for music production. It offers a wide range of bass tones from classic electric basses to modern synth basses, making it a versatile tool for producers and musicians across various genres. The software's user-friendly interface and intuitive workflow make it easy to create realistic bass lines, even for users with minimal experience in music production. One of the standout features of Ezbass is its MIDI bass performance capabilities, which allow users to create and customize bass lines with precision. The software includes a vast library of MIDI grooves and patterns covering a wide range of styles and genres. These grooves can be easily customized and adjusted to fit the specific needs of a project, providing users with endless creative possibilities. Ezbass also includes advanced features such as the ability to adjust the playing style, articulation, and dynamics of the bass performance, ensuring that the final result sounds natural and authentic. The software's comprehensive sound library includes meticulously sampled bass instruments recorded with multiple articulations and playing techniques. This attention to detail ensures that Ezbass delivers realistic and expressive bass sounds that can enhance any music production. Additionally, Ezbass includes tools for mixing and processing bass sounds, such as EQ, compression, and effects, allowing users to achieve the perfect bass tone for their tracks.